I thought I'd just splice in here and show you the repair on the corner that it broke off. I've used this many times on cylinder heads for motorsport and what have you. I don't know whether you can still get it. This must be about 10 years old. And you just get it's just a sausage shaped piece. The catalyst is in the centre, and it's in a plastic tube with a sealed top. And this, what's on here, I must have had 15 years since I last took it out of the packet. And you have to squeeze it to cut off what you want, and just squeeze it in your hand, mix it up, mix the centre of the roll with the outside catalyst and whatever you call it, the bulk, and it starts to get warm after about 5 minutes. Well, it depends on what temperature you're working it, how long it lasts before it starts going off. You can work it, as you can see, and this will never come off. Now I thought it'd be better than trying to get a TIG welder who knows what he's doing, welding aluminium. It was split across the corner and broke off, so we got all this holding it. Come down there. Worst comes to the worst and it comes off, we'll just have to try another technique, but that ain't going anywhere. There it goes, folks. You can still get it. Instructions on the back, and it's just in the tube rolled up like that. Cut a piece off, work it. Right, so that's that interjection. I'll show you started spraying the covers. Need another coat, but I run out of gear. Let's see if we can't get this 1100 muscle saw from the 70s. Everything else seems alright. I've sent for the bearings, SFK bearings for the crank. They should be 3 or 4 days coming. I'm going to split this video up because it's going to be too long. Right, so there we go. Don't forget. I've just bought these buffers as well, F.A.O.B buffers, anti-vibration. They're off the internet from China. It took a couple of 3 weeks to get here. But they're nice and firm. But they've got a different thread on the end for these early saws. But I reckon I'll just put it in the lathe, hold it in the lathe, turn it down, and re-thread it back down to the 5mm that it requires. If you try and buy one of these on the net, they're asking about 8, 9, 10 quid, £10, yeah, $7, $8 each. You can get a set of 6 from China for £6.50 delivered. So the quality's good. Right, we're in the paint shop now, which is the same shop as the engineering shop. Although it's looking a bit yellowy there, this isn't that colour, it's the way the light's falling on it. That's right from the other side. That must be just where the camera is. Right, let's wait for that to go off. Now runs up. Perfect. Oh, we've got a sag! Ah, bollocks! Nope, small. Too cold in here, not going quick enough. Winter. Ah, it'll cover up. Just hardening them up in front of the fire. Give this a whirl up tomorrow. A bit late now in the day, I've had enough. And I think we can turn those, I don't know, probably about 7mm threads down to, and then we can tap them up with 5mm. Right, that's them, I might give them another little squirt, but we'll just leave them there now to cure for a week, and then hopefully I'll start getting it together. We have to wait for the bearings to come anyway, so that'll be 3 days. Right, I've just put the casing together without any insides, as you can see, just to see that the orientation of the repair allowed it to go together. And I don't think it's looking too bad.